So in the same way, what we need to do, yeah, select the settings. Next, next. I I not saved the template. Okay, fine. Close. So in the same way, if you have a pre-prod and all, they will deploy in the same ways, and then they will comes to it's done. Then they deploys the patches for production. Right click, wave 1, 2021 -01, wave 1 patching. They select the patch collection, prod, wave 1, next, next. What they will take? They will take next Monday. This predefined schedule, the collections will be there. Okay, next Monday, pre-prod wave 1, they will select. Okay, same 10 a.m. 00. So mostly they will give us deadline as 12 p.m. Why? Because most of the users will be in the lunch time. So they will not face any network issues because they will go for the lunch. If there is any system is slow also, they will lock it and they go for lunch, right? 12 to 1 p.m. they will schedule deadline. If it requires, they will suppress the reboot. If not, they won't suppress the reboot. Okay, then they define some settings. What are the settings they want? Okay, do not download. Next, save the template. Wave 1 patching. So once you save this, then it will be helpful for your next month schedule. So that whenever you deploy, you can select the settings. Then same thing, they will deploy same day. They will deploy to the VPN also. So 2021 -01 VPN, wave 1 VPN or something. We can keep it because the VPN also we have two waves. Some naming convention. Wave 1 browse VPN also they will deploy. Next, same date, January 18th, 10 a.m. Every month, same schedule we need to repeat. Okay, maybe February, same schedule. Like the dates will change, but second Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday, and the 2 days after. Predefined schedules will be there. Clear what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
12 p.m. Change, suppress, next, next. For VPN, they will use go to the Microsoft. If software updates are not available in distribution point, download the updates from Microsoft. They will check this because we won't distribute the content to the VPN distribution point. So straight away, it will go to the Microsoft, will get the content. Check this mark. Next, save the content. Wave 1 VPN. Save. Next. Likewise, we will deploy 2 days, 2 days, then they will deploy the patches for wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and so on, and they complete. Whenever you do for the same March month, simply select the wave 1, wave 2 the templates which has, so that the collection will be auto populated and you can deploy the patches. Clear what I'm
Yeah.
saying to you? So here the group, if you open the group, you have some updates. Is the required count is 0 or 1?
Zero is record count is zero.
0. So let me open the machines. Let me power on the virtual machines which we have. System 1, system 2. Okay, what is the status of this machine where we can check in the SCCM console? What is the current status? Because no, it's offline more than 7 days, so it will show us as inactive. Okay.
In
So once it comes online, the machine automatically, once the policy is received, so it will come into the machine. So you will see the machine comes into the active state. Let me log in. And also we need to see the actions which are here. Okay, because no, by default you will not get the action like software update point, scan cycle you will not get, because no, just now we turn on SUP. Later once it's receive the first policy only, it will get that particular cycle added. Is it clear what I'm saying to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me open the control panel. Okay, go to run and type. So if you can go to the configuration manager, go to actions, then you see do how many cycles we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
10.
8, 9, 10. Do you see software update scan cycle here?
No. Software update
No.
scan. No, it's not a pair.
Software update deployment evaluation cycle is there, but software update scan cycle is not there, because after installation of SUP, whenever you initiate first machine policy, then only you will get the software update scan cycle. But in organization, SUP is already enabled, you get all the cycles. But still, now only we enabled SUP, yesterday only. But this machine is turned on today, right? Once you
Yeah.
initiated this machine policy, it will take, because the machine is just rebooted, it will take some time, because no, what is the service which is in the backend, it will work for this.
SCCM execution.
So we have SMS agent host service for running in the backend. So it is already running.
Okay.
So it will take some time. Why? Because after the machine login, it has automatic delay start, means the service will start after you power on, maybe 1 or 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes later, to improve the performance of the PC. Some of the automatic delayed will be there. So that's why immediately the that will not respond. If you see machine policy initiated, you wait for some time, then you will see the software update scan cycle which comes into this. Software inventory still not came, so we can wait. This is what we can see. And this process is clear, how we can deploy, how to create a group, how to download updates, how to distribute the content, what are the collections we need to do. Is it clear how the company will do phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, so on, and remaining pieces? Is the process is clear? Just give me a minute. Yeah. So is the process is clear?
Uh, Software update group, we have to delete a older, means previous month group and then create a fresh for
Mm.
upcoming
So,
months,
no,
right?
we cannot delete and whatever we do in the process. You need to know which organization you are joining. You need to know the process. Ask the KT.
Okay.
So each and every company, they follow a different naming convention, different process. At least for 1 month, they will give a KT. What is the procedure? How they will do? Then you
Okay.
need to follow for the next month. You cannot delete whatever you want. You need to ask the existing process of an organization. You need to follow the process.
Okay.
If nothing is there, you need to define a process. If you're
Okay,
given a
if you keep
lead
as
role,
it is, not
yeah,
a problem. It will be there only until completion of that.
a
Applying the
completion
patches,
of
it will
the
be there.
time. Yeah, every month it will. The next month, no, some companies they will create a different group. Means what? No, once they're done with the monthly patching, what they will do is, let me go to software update group. There are some universal group for 2021. Okay, they tries to move. Sorry. Mm, okay, let me take this group. Okay, 2021 hyphen mm, security patches baseline. So once what they will do is, once the patching is done, somebody will, we cannot delete the patches because no, the new machines which is coming to the organization later after 2 months they get the patches
Hello,
which are
I
active.
can't hear you, sir. Hello.
Yes, am I audible to others?
Yes, sir.
So what I am saying is, once the monthly patching is completed, they will edit the patches and move to the baseline patches. So then they deploy to the standard collections. So what are the newly reimaged machines, they has to get the patches, right? They will miss the patches of the old month or current active patches. So they will create one baseline, they will add other, once the deployment is done, they will move the patches to this baseline and they will delete this. Each and every organization has their own process. You need to learn the process and adopt it, and you need to follow the process. You cannot define the process in an organization. Okay, unless until you are in a lead position, then they ask your manager to create a process, then you need to give the process. Or you need to follow the existing process which is already been followed from many years. Clear? You need to ask the SOP document for the company, what they follow, then you can use it. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is what the server side patching process which we do on monthly basis. Okay, every month what we'll do? Pilot, pre-production, wave 1, VPN wave 1 patching, then wave 2, and then you can create to the now pre-prod collection 2021-01 pre, so pre-catching. So patch management, pre-catch, next, next time, January 18th we deployed a wave 1. So we'll wait one more day. So where we can deploy to the, we have no issues where we can deploy this Wednesday, January, Monday 20th, 12 p.m. So you need to check the schedules with your existing team. What are the schedules which you follow? Okay. Then next, what are the options you want? You can select next, next. Do not download. It's a local machines only, so no need of internet. So I not saved the template. Fine. So pre-catch is done. So short by date. So you'll get an order when you are deploying. So then wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, so on. Whatever the dates you want, then deploy. This is what the monthly they will follow. Is it clear? Already existing collections will be there in the organizations. What you need to do, based upon the timeline for that particular collection, then you need to deploy to the particular waves. Is it clear? Then
Yes, sir.
wave 2, next, next time frame. So they you need to note the Excel sheet like what day, second Tuesday after next, what Monday, what things 20, and Friday 10 a.m. Okay, then Friday at the same time you can deploy to the VPN machines on the same day.
Here, a second option is there, right?
Mm.
Device restart behavior. Okay. If you select those, machine will not restart, right?
It will select these two options. Machine will not restart. If you not, if you select, machine will not restart. If you do not select, system will reset automatically.
Okay. If you not select this option, system will reboot.
Yeah, will reboot automatically. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Next, it's wave two, not save template. For one-time activity, you need to do the this waves so that your all settings will be getting saved. So that will be helpful for your, and then next again right click and deploy 2021 -01 VPN wave 2. So you need to know the naming conventions and all everything and the what collection which date. You need to get the process in the, they will give you KT for at least 1 month. They will give the collection naming convention and the timelines for 1 month. They will see, or what you need to do, you need to take a screenshot from the existing month, go to the properties and take the schedules and the screenshots. Then you need to follow for the next month. Clear what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Yes.
If nobody gives you a KT, okay, what you can do, you take a property screenshot of existing times, timestamp and the dates what they deployed. You can follow the same. You cannot ask anyone. If they're not given KT and the leftover, what you need to do, you need to take a screenshot of the existing all the deployments which is already have there for existing month. Take a screenshot, all the screenshot, what it has, VPN, check mark, wave, wave to VPN, and you can create your own templates for 1 month. Next month you follow the same process, wave to completed. So you can go to the, you take one screenshot of this, check the timestamp, go to the properties, take all the screenshots. Next month, open the document, deploy, use the same collection name, same naming convention, you copy and paste into your one notepad. What are the naming convention? Copy paste. Change the monthly name 2021-02 pilot patching, 2021-02 pre-production, 2021-02 VPN wave 1. What is the collection they are using? Select the collection name. What is the timestamp they're using? Go to the properties. What is the schedule is there? Okay. All are 10 a.m. 12 p.m. That's fine. Then what is the dates they're using? Open the month. Okay. Check. Okay. 13th, maybe Wednesday. 14th. Okay. They're following the every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday. So you can make a note. Take a screenshot of, okay. Then go with the February month. Do a chart. Okay. I need to deploy the so and so date. You need to come into the assumptions. If nobody gives KT, you need to be in the way where you can create your own documentation. So January they deployed, okay, 13th, 15th. Then same way what you do, February, second Tuesday, 9th, 10th you deploy, Friday, 11th you deploy pre-prod, 12th you deploy, Monday, 17th, 19th, and so on. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Mostly 80% the KT will be given, okay? If there nobody is there to give a KT, you need to reverse the things and you need to see and you need to do some homework, okay? You need to do a lot of the screenshot, take a properties, what are the updates which are there, what is the description which are there, take a screenshot, Better to copy the naming convention in the one notepad. Copy, paste. What is the deployment name they are giving? Copy, go to the properties, take a copy, put it in a notepad. What is the collection name? Also, you go to the properties and copy the collection name, what they are doing. Copy, a paste into a notepad and create your own documentation. Do the same thing for the February month. You will face some hurdles in between if there nobody will give security. But yeah, maybe it takes 3 months of time to adjust. Then, or if you give a KT, you need to know there will be lot of collection. First, you need to explore what are the collection folders, naming and all before the KT. Then you need to familiar what are the collection names and all. Then compare easily. Go to software update group. What are the collection? What are the collection they are using? Okay, take one screenshot. Make your own documentation. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? What you need to do? Open a snipping tool. Take some group. What are the groups which has completely groups? You can take one screenshot. Okay, then you can paste this, and also naming convention also you can copy paste the collection names each and everything. Go to the properties of each and every tab, then take some screenshots. This screenshot, deployments, schedule, a user experience, alerts, download. Once you take all the screenshot, next month what you'll do after creation, right click, deploy, see the document, create for the February month deployment. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any other doubts in the server side process? This is what the server side process which we'll follow in our see, process is nothing but this is the complete process end to end what we deploy. The process and all it changes from company to company, that you will adopt when you go to the organization. See, you got the software update scan cycle.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's updated. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what where we will see in the server side process. This is the process complete. Okay. So where we completed the complete server side process, where deployment of complete VPN pre-loaded machines, pre-cache machines, or VPN machines, which will follow. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Yes. No.
Oh, no,
So
ADR we can create, right?
the
How do we
ADR will
create
not
ADR?
use for the machines of this group. Okay. If you want ADR, we'll see later. Okay.
Okay.
So as of now, is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Any other doubts in this process?
Yeah, one more doubt, sir. I forgot to ask. 2021-01 nothing but is the 21st
January month
January
patch.
patch.
Yeah, January patch which we deploy so far. Yeah. Every month, yeah, February, March, April 2021 04, 05, 06.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions, queries so far on the server
Suppose
side process?
if
Yeah.
yeah if they if they not mention the month, some of the patches is not mentioned a month. How is there any option to identify?
You need to go within the group and identify. There you will get the update names, no? If no, do not know the group logo, you need to individually search the group and you need to know. If they given the Chinese language, you open the group and see the update name will not change. Group name only will change. If you have 20 groups, go individually 20 groups and check the naming convention and do it. That's what we can do.
Yeah.
In
This
proper, no, in general, each and everyone will follow the same naming notation, at least year and month. Later, it's different, organization to organization.
okay. These groups we have to create every month, right? When our patches
Yeah,
releases,
every
then we
month
have to
we
create.
need to create a group.
We have to select the patches and we have
Updates
to
and
create.
need to create a group. Yeah.
Okay.
Some companies, no, they will create ADR. Some companies will use mostly, no, 80% they use manually, because no, only it will deploy to the pilot collection. Anyway, the other deployments and all you need to manually create. Single time group activity it will create, and then it will deploy to the pilot collection. Then from there, after creation of group, you need to right click and deploy to other collections.
Yeah, in here in current organization, they are using ADR. They'll create but not deploy. Deployment will happen manually. Someone has go and
Yeah, that
deploy
will
it.
not automatically will done. Okay. Okay. So quickly reconnect to this meeting. So we'll start from the client side process. This is completely server process is completed. Okay. This is what every month, like what L2 or L3 engineer will do from a server perspective. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Even we have
yeah.
even a client and server also patching through SCM, right?
Yeah,
Depends on the
same way they
organization.
will create a group for server workstations. This one server patching 2016 and all. Same way they have
Okay.
some collection structure. They will deployment is same. Only the patches will differ. Here they will comes with the server patches. Some companies will create only one group for servers and workstations. Then they deploy to different collections.
Okay.
The same group will deploy to the server collections and they will deploy. So this is the server process. So let's reconnect. We'll discuss about the client process and we'll take some